My name is Henry Hansel. I'm a local business person here in Sonoma County, and I'm also a board member on Rebuild NorthBay. I've lived in Sonoma County since 1961. We've been through a lot of positive things, but nothing like what we went through in October, and how many people lost their homes and the potential impact this would have on our community, which I enjoyed so much. And so almost at the exact moment, I knew the community needed some help. And a good friend of mine, Darius Anderson, called me and said, Henry, I think we need to form an organization to help this community rebuild, to give it hope, to work with the government, to work with the community, to make sure when we're finished with this, when we rebuild, we actually end up rebuilding better. So one of the projects that Rebuild NorthBay is working on right now is a project called RiseUp. And RiseUp is specifically helping the underinsured, people that actually are not insured to the level that it's going to take to rebuild. Through nonprofit funding, through assistance from Habitat for Humanity, who will help with the project, through funding that actually is coming from the Ford Fund and some Ford dealers, what is going to happen is we're going to build for the homeowners about a mile worth of fencing that will save each homeowner an average of about $15,000, which will assist those that have been underinsured. And we feel very good about that. That's one project of what I believe will be many as this organization continues. Well, as a large employer, frankly, a number of our employees lost their homes, including, frankly, my daughter and son-in-law. But beyond all that, part of being a part of a community that's this dynamic is to just want to give back. And this is a crisis. And it's one that I think if my organization can help the community, we're going to do whatever we can to help. I mean, that's just what we're here to do. I believe a significant part of what this organization is to give the community who's lost so much hope that they in fact are going to return to where they were before this, and in fact perhaps hope to the point that they feel, guess what, we'll even be better when it's over. I mean, that to me, that's kind of the crux. I know that's a kind of a simple statement, but it's at the end of the day, if we can connect all the different stakeholders here through our involvement, and all of a sudden the community says, you know what, I think I can make it through this. To me, that's a significant part of why this organization is what it's doing.